Alright, so objective number 1. Calculate the derivative of a simple exponential function with a natural base e. First of all, an exponential function is anything to the power of x. So a to the power of x, that's called an exponential function. But in this case, the base itself, which is this thing, is e. And e is what we call natural base. E represents a constant, just like pi, a number that never changes, and we call it natural base. So let's start with this example over here, how to differentiate this function. So now we'll call it f dash of x, or f prime, which means the derivative of f of x. And in order to derive that, we repeat this e with its power as it is. So e to the power of 2x to the power of 2. But then we multiply by the derivative of the power. And the power here is 2x squared, so the derivative is 4x. And that's it. Now let's try another a bit harder example and see what we can come up with. So let me change the color here. Let's say we have a function that says f of x is equal to e to the power of sine x to the power of 3. Now how do we solve this question here? So we said in order to derive such a function, we'll repeat the e with its power as it is. So here they are. Then we multiply by the derivative of the power, and the derivative of sine is cosine, and the angle remains as it is. But then the chain rule applies here, and we need to multiply by the derivative of the angle, which will be 3x squared. The final thing is just to reorder this thing the right way. So then f dash of x, or f prime of x, will be called 3x squared multiplied by e power sine x to the power of 3 multiplied by cosine x to the power of 3. And that's it. Now try it yourself.